This is how the business setup process works on Revfer's web platform. The interface displays the current business quota and tracks progress through each setup step. The first step captures the user's role and business type: owner versus manager, physical versus online. The form captures business name, primary category, and contact information, all required fields. The business description powers AI search for natural customer queries. The audio description feature can autofill all fields. We'll demonstrate that in a separate video. The location step uses smart address search to find the exact business location. This optional field captures hours, holidays, or landmarks. The AI uses this for detailed customer searches. Step 3 handles additional categories and other platforms where the business is listed. The final step adds photos, special features, and keywords before going live.